Hey everyone, today we're talking about something small, but mighty mini drones. Now, 2025 has been a game changer for drone technology. These compact flyers are no longer just entry-level gadgets. We're talking 8K cameras, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, foldable designs, and even professional-grade stability, all in a size that can fit in your backpack. So whether you want to shoot travel vlogs, explore landscapes from above, or just have some fun learning to fly, I've got 5 of the best mini drones this year, and trust me, some of these will surprise you with just how capable they are. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get into the countdown. Number 1. Original L200 Pro/Max drone. This little machine packs a GPS-enabled 4K camera with gimbal stabilization, which means your videos stay smooth even if the wind tries to mess things up. It has obstacle avoidance for safer flying and brushless motors that give you quieter, more efficient flights. Plus, with 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you get a clean, real-time video feed to your controller. I really like how balanced this drone feels. It's powerful enough to get professional-looking shots, but still easy to fold up and carry around. The GPS lock keeps it steady in the air, so beginners won't feel like they're fighting with the controls. And that gimbal? It's the difference between just okay footage and cinematic, watchable video. Pros: smooth and steady 4K footage, reliable GPS and obstacle avoidance, compact, foldable design, quiet, durable brushless motors. If you want a reliable, travel-ready drone with stable video, this is a solid first pick. Number 2. New S2S Mini Drone. Comes with an 8K HD camera, which is pretty crazy for a drone at this price. You get about 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, and the brushless foldable design makes it very travel-friendly. Plus, it comes with obstacle avoidance sensors to help prevent crashes. This is one of those drones that's easy to recommend for someone's first purchase. The controls are responsive, the video quality is impressive, and you can fold it up to carry in your pocket. It doesn't have gimbal stabilization, so the footage won't be quite as smooth as the L200, but for casual shots and social media videos, it's more than enough. Pros: high-resolution 8K footage, lightweight and foldable, beginner-friendly handling, great battery life for a mini drone, a great first drone option that gives you premium-looking shots without a premium price tag. Number 3. KBDFA Mini Z908 Pro Max drone. It's equipped with a 4K ESC adjustable camera, meaning you can tilt the lens mid-flight without landing. It also comes with obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and a foldable design for portability. That adjustable camera really sets it apart. You can go from a wide, forward view to a dramatic downward shot instantly, which is great for creative filmmaking. The brushless motors keep it stable and quiet, and it's light enough to carry everywhere. Pros: adjustable camera angles during flight, solid obstacle detection, quiet, efficient motors, easy to carry, perfect for those who like experimenting with aerial shots and want flexibility in their filming. Number 4. Xiaomi D16 Mini Drone. This one has dual 8K HD cameras so you can capture multiple perspectives, and it boasts a huge 20 kilometers control range. It also has obstacle avoidance and even a fixed remote control airplane mode for different flying styles. This is the kind of drone you take when you really want to explore. The range is insane for a mini drone, and the dual cameras mean you can capture a lot of creative shots without swapping gear. But with great range comes great responsibility. You'll need good flying skills to handle it. Pros: dual camera flexibility, massive 20 kilometers control range, excellent 8K clarity, foldable and portable. If range is your top priority, this is the mini drone to beat. Number 5. Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max drone. It features an 8K professional FPV camera, laser obstacle avoidance for pinpoint accuracy, brushless motors, and optical stabilization for smooth video. The laser obstacle avoidance is a real standout. It's more accurate than the usual sensors, making it great for flying in tricky environments. The camera delivers rich, detailed footage that looks incredible on big screens. Pros: stunning 8K video quality, highly accurate laser obstacle detection, durable, quiet, brushless motors, foldable design for travel. A top choice for content creators who want pro-level shots and maximum safety in a compact size. So there you have it, my top 5 best mini drones of 2025. If you want balanced performance, go for the L200 Pro/Max. If you want a budget-friendly beginner's drone, the S2S Mini is a great pick. For creative aerial shots, the Z908 Pro Max is a winner. For long-distance adventures, nothing beats the Xiaomi D16. And if you want professional quality and advanced safety, the V198 Max is the one. Whichever one you choose, remember to fly responsibly, follow local drone laws, and most importantly, have fun exploring the skies.